farm. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So we're at the farm. I want to make a little trail system over here, and unfortunately today I have not got my helmet, so I cannot really do any jumps or anything. I'll just be doing a nice slow ride. I have my bike. I'll be doing a slow ride down the slope. So this property has a nice little slope starting from there and going on till there. The drop between these two places is not too much. It's just about 20-25 feet, and there is a good distance also, so it should be make for an interesting little setup. The highest point is over there. I don't know if I'll be able to make anything there. Let's just take a walk, explore and see what's there. You can't see much over here, but in that general direction is the little lake, and I need to ride there. Let's see how we can make a trail over here. So this is the water body which is there in the property, and it's at the lowest point over here. I think it would be a really nice ending to the trail if we come like that from there over here, this side of this, make a little bit of a jump over here. So the ramp takes off and you land over there. We'll have to clear it a little bit so that we can do a runoff and end around there. That would be a cool ride. So this is how the jump looks from the landing side. And well, the lake on the side, it's going to be a nice scenic little jump. I did walk around and explore to see if I could get a few more trails ending here, well, with different finishes. I did ride around the property to explore different trail possibilities before packing up the cycle and getting ready to head back home. I will be headed back to the farm soon to make the basic pathways of my trails. Once the paths are ready, I can look at creating features. So guys, do comment below and let me know how many trails I should look at building. Until next time, safe ride everyone.